lethal company.
Yeah. I'm playing a game, man.
Roll again. This is great content.
It's actually roll a Gion.
Yeah?
Keon. There we go.
Oh, I get to go halakbal! I get to go halakbal!
Oh, Bear's freaking out. This is good.
Yeah. Bro, I'm playing Insurgency.
Let's loop of rolling again.
I'm about to start tweaking. This is too much roll again.
Alright, that was my last work of art.
Where's the bag at?
Alright, what more can we do to this man?
Ooh, add more of the sad more of this generic text on it.
Oh my god. What the god? Let it out!
There's a bunch of lazy kids pretending to be like I walk out and they're walking around king and think I won't be.
Wait, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? I just looked at my phone and I see Dairy Queen popped up. What are you looking at?
That is fair.
Bro, what are you looking at?
I love that just cops. We're looking at you getting reviewed, enjoying the moment.
Wait, I am?
These kids enjoying the moment. Yeah, it says there's a bunch of lazy kids pretending to be working.
Bruh.
Yeah, I completely lost that review, man.
Heck, man! How did I not kill him? Oh! Get hot! Get shot!
Classic. Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange, you glad I didn't say Orange, you glad I didn't say banana?
Ah, get shot, man!
It's like a limited apartment. My upstairs neighbor is like the worst upstairs neighbor ever.
La 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 la, you got killed by an airlip.
Every time walking, no stopping.
La 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 la. Bro! Did someone say Aloha? Akbar!
Let's roll.
Ooh, sweet. Let's go on.
Enemy spotted.
Observer, your name will be Tim.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh, crap. Ooh. Gotcha, Tim. Tim, what are you doing, man? Tim, wait, Tim. Tim, wait! Hi, you're still alive. Don't want this to be like Tony.
What? What?
Yeah, I ain't surviving right here. Oh. Oh my gosh, how many are there? Nice. Ooh. Bro, what are they doing? Ah! Ah!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Pull the trigger. Come on, motherfucker. Pull the trigger! Let's go shoot me! Let's go shoot me! Shoot me!
Oh. Oh. Bro, and I didn't even get the kill. Don't stand in front of my muzzle. Bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, nope. I didn't get him. Still there. Ah! Nice. Alright, good.
Pull the trigger! Let's go shoot me! Let's go shoot me! Shoot!
Losing. They're all downstairs. Oh! Oh! Get out of there! Ah!
Unzip, you go to the urinal, and you touch yourself.
Oh, man. Nice. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Oh my. No, don't. Oh. Come on, Commander. How did he survive? Oh, yeah! Screw you! Rest in peace. What the? Huh?
You need to leave!
Oh, yeah. Please, 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 please. Oh!